So look at this. This is called Zhiyun Molus G60, my newest key light. And here are the 4 reasons why this could be your next big light purchase if you are into content creation. Number 1, size. I mean, just look at it. It literally fits in my hand and almost like a small Rubik's cube. And don't even get fooled by how tiny it is. This is a full-on 60-watt light and it can switch between cool and warm temperatures easily. Now for the comparison, this is the light I've been using so far, the Godox SL60W, the go-to light for every YouTuber. And just look at the size difference here. I realized it after paying a big price here. So I used to mount the SL60 permanently on my desk using this magic arm from Robe. It worked fine in the beginning, but after about 6 months, the mount got broke. And as you can see here, the mount costs a lot of money. So it is mainly happened because of the combined weight of light and the softbox. So that's when I realized something. Bigger cob lights like these are really meant for proper C-stands. They are not designed for compact test setups like these. Number 2, mounting possibilities. This light comes with a compact softbox like this. I mean, just look at it. Isn't it awesome? So along with this, it also comes with the bounce mount adapter as well. So due to this, it becomes compatible with big and standard modifiers like these. That means you're not locked into one type of setup here. You can use regular full-size softboxes if you want for maximum diffusion, or you can go with the compact softboxes like these if you are working in tight spaces like me. So try to learn from my mistake. If you are trying to mount your light on a magic arm like this, or even you are working in a tight spaces like me, weight becomes a serious factor. So in that case, something compact like this light makes more sense. And this is where it really matters, because in smaller rooms, bigger modifiers can make your setup feel cramped and uncomfortable. But with a compact light and smaller modifiers, the entire setup feels lighter, cleaner, and easier to manage. So it gives you more room to move, more room to adjust angles, more room to breathe, and more reasons to be versatile. So instead of your light dominating the space, it works within your space. Number 3, flexibility. So one of the biggest problems I always had with the traditional studio setup is this long, clunky power cables like these. Because every time I mount them, there's always a thick AC cable hanging down, running across the desk, limiting where I can place the lights. But this one is actually different, because it comes with this standard power adapter in the box, just like this, which I hated more than anything. But hear me out. Since it also supports USB Type-C, you can also power it using higher output Type-C power banks like these. And that changes everything. So instead of your light dominating the space, it works within your space. And that really matters for me. And you can even control the entire lighting setup through an app. So using this, you can adjust brightness and temperature settings without even touching the light. And that brings me the number 4th best feature on our list. So yeah, the possibilities here are massive. Because imagine this, pairing this with the compact V-mount style batteries or power banks like these can make your setup almost wire-free. No long cables, no messy routing, no restrictions on placement. Especially in smaller rooms like these, pure voice means cleaner setup and safer mounting. And it doesn't stop there. You can even control the entire light through an app, adjusting brightness and color temperatures without touching the light. So yeah, the possibilities here are massive. So if you are trying to build a compact content creation setup like this